Israel vs. Hamas, the untold story revealed. The Israel vs. Hamas conflict is a complex and long-standing issue rooted in the historical and political context of the Middle East. This conflict involves the State of Israel, a sovereign nation established in 1948, and Hamas, a Palestinian militant organization. To fully understand the Israel-Hamas conflict, it's essential to examine its historical background, the key players involved, the underlying causes, major events, and potential solutions. This comprehensive explanation will provide a thorough overview of the conflict, but it's worth noting that a 3,000-word limit may require simplification of some aspects. Historical background. 1. Palestine Mandate. The roots of the conflict can be traced back to the end of World War I when the League of Nations granted Britain the mandate to govern Palestine. This led to an influx of Jewish immigrants, causing tension with the Arab population. 2. United Nations Partition Plan, 1947. In 1947, the United Nations proposed a partition plan, recommending the creation of separate Jewish and Arab states within Palestine. The plan was accepted by Jewish leaders but rejected by Arab leaders, leading to violence. 3. Israel's Declaration of Independence, 1948. On May 14, 1948, Israel declared its independence, leading to a war with neighboring Arab states. 4. Palestinian Exodus, Nakba. The 1948 war resulted in a significant Palestinian Arab exodus, leading to the displacement of hundreds of thousands of Palestinians. Key players. 1. State of Israel, established in 1948, Israel is a Jewish majority state recognized by many countries worldwide. 2. Hamas, formed in 1987, Hamas is a Palestinian political and militant organization, which controls the Gaza Strip. 3. Palestinian Authority, Fatah, the Palestinian Authority, led by Fatah, governs parts of the West Bank and seeks a two-state solution with Israel. 4. International community, various international actors, including the United States, the United Nations, the European Union, and neighboring Arab states, play a role in mediating and influencing the conflict. Underlying causes. 1. Territorial disputes. One of the central issues is the control of territory, particularly in the West Bank and the Gaza Strip. 2. Right of return. Palestinians demand the right of return for refugees who left or were displaced in 1948. 3. Security concerns. Israel cites security concerns due to attacks from Palestinian militants, including Hamas. 4. Religious and cultural tensions. The region's significance to Judaism, Christianity, and Islam adds to the complexity. Major events and conflicts. 1. First Intifada, 1987 to 1993, a Palestinian uprising against Israeli rule. 2. Oslo Accords, 1993, peace negotiations resulted in the Oslo Accords, which established the Palestinian Authority and outlined a process for peace. 3. Second Intifada, 2000 to 2005, a violent uprising marked by suicide bombings and Israeli military responses. 4. Disengagement from Gaza, 2005, Israel unilaterally withdrew from the Gaza Strip, leading to Hamas's rise to power in the region. 5. Gaza Wars, 2008 to 2009, 2012, 2014, multiple conflicts between Israel and Hamas, leading to significant casualties and destruction. 6. Recent escalations, 2021, a flare-up of violence occurred in May 2021, resulting in significant casualties and international attention. Potential solutions. 1. Two-state solution. Many international actors support the idea of a two-state solution, where Israel and a future Palestinian state coexist side by side. 2. Negotiations. Resuming peace talks and negotiations to address key issues, such as borders, refugees, and Jerusalem. 3. Ceasefires and humanitarian aid. International efforts to secure ceasefires and provide humanitarian aid to alleviate the suffering of civilians in conflict areas. 4. International diplomacy. Involvement of international actors to mediate and facilitate dialogue between the parties. In conclusion, the Israel versus Hamas conflict is deeply rooted in a complex history and involves multiple stakeholders with varying interests. Resolving this conflict is a challenging endeavor that requires a comprehensive understanding of the historical, political, and social factors at play. International diplomacy, negotiations, and a commitment to finding a peaceful solution are crucial in addressing this long-standing issue.